this lace. Janet collection come through, sis.
Hey beauties, it's your girl Daisy. If you are new, today we have a Janet collection hair tutorial. They sent me some Esha glue, remover, a comb, all of that, and of course some bundles, as well as the Janet Melt collection frontal, which I love. I already did a tutorial on how to make a wig, so if you want to check that out, look in the description box below.
So I already cut off the lace and styled the wig already in baby hairs. Sometimes it's easier to do that on a mannequin so you can see everything like in your face. Now these knots took a little bit of time to bleach, so I actually had to bleach the knots and then correct them and do all that off camera. That's why I just said forget it, I'm just gonna style it off camera and then install it because it'll make it easier for me. And now I'm going to take my blow dryer and cool settings for about 30 seconds. So I got this lace laid. It looks so good, especially to be a beauty supply store hair. To get this lace looking like this, you really have to bleach your knots, trust me. And we're not even done yet. We're gonna put this scarf on, let this sit, and I'll be back. Yes, hunty. So I'm just gonna comb all the hair towards the back, including the baby hairs. I'm gonna take my wax butter. It smells so good, I can't help but smell it every time. And I'm gonna put this wax butter all along my hairline. It's gonna help lay it flat. And in that parting space, I'm trying to think how I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna do a slanted part. I love a slanted part. Put some wax in the middle. And keep in mind, like I said, I bleached these knots, that's why it looks like this. And I plucked this hairline. This hairline needed a lot of plucking. I can't say a lot, but it needed enough. I spent at least 30 minutes plucking this wig. Because really, you can get like any kind of wig with a crazy hairline. It's all about how you customize it and make it your own. And that's what makes the wig look so good. You know, some people are like, my wig didn't come out looking like that because you didn't take the steps that I did. For example, I'm not arrogant Tay. My wig ain't gonna look like him. It may look close to it, but you know, I ain't as good as him. I'm getting there though, with the practice. You see what I'm saying? You just really have to practice and make a wig your own. And I already cut these baby hairs on my mannequin, so all I have to do is make some swoops. Might have to cut a little bit more, like pieces that I missed. So I really love plucking off camera on the mannequin because it's easier, but you still see I have to do some more cutting because you have to make the wig fit your hairline. I'm gonna take some styling mousse. I'm gonna put it all over the hairline, and this helps to get rid of that white cast from that glue. I'm just gonna put a few little swoops here. Look at this lace. Janet collection come through, sis. I love when I get my baby hairs right. Sometimes I do them and it's like too much, too little, I don't know. All right, we're gonna go back in with my hot comb. Now I'm just gonna straighten my hair, and then I'm gonna cut it off a little bit more, make sure everything's even, because this is body wig hair. You still see has some wave in here. I'm gonna probably put some curls in the front, but I'm gonna straighten the whole wig first. I don't know. I just kind of go with the flow, whatever I think I want to do, how I want to look for today. So first, we're gonna take some argan oil of Morocco. This is my favorite from OGS. You can get this, you know, I get this from Ulta actually. You can get buy one, get one half off. So I get this one, and I get this one as well for buy one, get one half off. So I get both for like $15. Can't beat that. And it's so good. It's really good on natural hair. So I started using it on my natural hair. And I use it on my wigs because some people are cheap and want to use, like, you know, products that aren't as high end for your hair or as good for your wigs. But I would say use the good products on your wigs too. That's what's gonna make them look good. So I changed my mind. I'm gonna do a middle part. So far it's looking so good, and I actually over bleached these knots, and I did so because these knots took forever to bleach. Okay, so it actually took me closer to 30 minutes to bleach them, and while they were bleaching, I over bleached the hair. So how you fix it is you just take some concealer, some foundation, whichever you got. I'm gonna put some in parting space. And I'm gonna take this mascara I use just to correct my knots, and we're gonna make this parting space pop. You see, it's just a quick and easy fix to make this part look like the baddest did it, which really is me. And you want to take your beauty blender and just blend it out a little bit so the line isn't really harsh. Might have a little hump back here because I made some bigger braids this time, and you always want to do really small braids, especially if you're doing a really flat straight wig. So we'll just finesse this. And I'm gonna cut this hair some more now that it's straight. Like I said, I wanted layers, so we'll cut some more.
So here is the final look. I'm just fixing up them baby hairs to make them look as good as possible. I work with Janet Collection plenty of times, and I love the Melt collection. I hope you guys enjoy this video and learn something. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below.